Because it sinks. Okay? Oh, what's wrong, Garry? What do you want to do? Put your hand on here. Just hold on here with the one hand on your rope. No. Okay. Yeah. That's it. So once again, this is the Virgin Island. There can't be many virgins left on this island because there must be at least 20,000 people here today. We came in and there was like 5-10 bunkers. Now there's bunkers as far as you can see, and they're wading and chunking anchors onto their reef. This one here, the plaza, the man's hanging on the front of the boat to keep it stable.
Because they're not allowed to drop anchor.
Ah.
So they have to stay with the boat.
Ah.
And now we've run aground.
So, we've run aground because the tour guide doesn't know what he's doing. Or maybe he's got too much weight in here because he wants to make more money. Blue ones, darling. Yeah.
They love it, don't they? Yeah, blue ones.